Hello everyone, my name is Sahil, faculty for Ethics GS paper number 4 here at Shubhra Ranjan IS. So friends, today I am delighted to announce the launch of our new series, that is Ethically Speaking. So idea is very simple here. Here we will pick up the ethical concepts and will try to explain you as how in the exam you can present them. In the past few years, we have seen that the UPSC, particularly in the GS paper number 4, is asking relatively simple questions, but the presentation of them in the exam is altogether a different story. For example, few years back, a question was asked that what is happiness? What happiness means to you? Now, everybody on the earth might be having an idea that what happiness feels, but how to present in the GS paper number 4 so that the examiner can see an ethical flair, so the examiner can know the intellectual depth of your character. So, if we can equate the happiness with the eudaimonia of Aristotle, if we can equate the happiness with the sense of realization of dharma, or if we can equate the happiness with the state of serenity explained by the Stoics, obviously it can create a very good impression and you can get that extra edge which will help you to fetch the better marks in the exam. And we all know that we don't need to score 100% marks. We just need to perform better than our peers and you have a rank in your hand. So how to get that extra advantage in ethics GS paper number 4? We will try to help you on that front here in this series. So guys, I welcome you all in this series. Moreover, here you can also play a very constructive role. You can write into the comment box the concepts, the issues on which I should make a video, and I will be more than happy to explain them. So this is all about the ethically speaking. Stay tuned and we will be coming in this line with more videos for you. Thank you so much.